This is a short video to introduce you to Carium and how to get signed up for education classes and health coaching sessions here at the Lifestyle Medicine program. When you first join Carium, you'll be given the option to take a quick tour. The home section contains important notifications and health information all in one place. The health feed is dedicated to all of your health data, and the More section contains everything else you'll need, including your surveys and learning content. We encourage you to sync any health devices and data trackers you are using to see all of your data in one convenient place. Go to the More menu by clicking More on the toolbar at the bottom far right. There you will notice alerts for new notifications on the top and for new alerts on messages. To view the message, you can either click on the message icon on the toolbar or the message tile. You will see a message welcoming you to the program and sharing with you how to get started. It directs you to go to the Learning tab and to check out a program orientation video and quick reference guide. Once completed, you'll check off the to-do. You can access these materials from the Learning tab or find them up here on the top in Notifications, where you'll see new information that is populated into the app. Here's a view from Notifications. Click on the orientation video to get more details on how the Lifestyle Medicine program works. Next, click on the Carium Quick Reference Guide to learn more about navigating the Carium app. After you watch the video and familiarize yourself with Carium, you will check off the to-do either here in the Notifications tab or by going to the To-Do tile. Once you've checked off the to-do, you'll head back to the home screen. You will find the home screen by clicking on the house on the toolbar on the bottom left. From the home screen, find the link to the scheduling form. It may take a moment for this form to populate. Note, if you are only accessing Carium from your computer, you will need to contact your health coach to help you complete this step. Complete the form to get scheduled for your education classes and health coach sessions. You will then see that surveys have been assigned to you. You will see them as a new notification on the home screen, where you can find them listed in the Surveys tab in the More menu. Surveys are assigned at the start of the program and at the completion of Phase 1, after completing the education classes and health coach sessions you've just signed up for. As you start with Lifestyle Medicine, you get to reflect on your health and see improvements you've made once completing classes in health coaching. The data also helps the Lifestyle Medicine program. We hope to be a certified program soon, and your positive change helps us. Once you complete these, you are all set to get started. Your health coach will contact you with the Carium message once you are scheduled and confirm the date and time of your first education class and health coach session. We are excited to get started in this life-changing program with you.